happy Mother's Day. Actually, it's not Mother's Day yet, but it's tomorrow. So I will show you how to make this chocolate and money bouquet flowers. Bouquet flowers doesn't sound right. I don't usually make it, so we'll just do our best. I'm going to be using Ferrero chocolate. These are the usual barbecue skewers. So we've got the Ferrero, and then we'll just put a little bit of the sticky thing. We'll attach the stick. Oh my god. It's not soft enough. Wait, let's try that again.
I hope it works.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, it doesn't work, guys. What the hell?
What's wrong with you?
So we'll just put a little bit here. And then hopefully it stays okay. Yay! And we'll just do this for the rest of the Ferrero. We're finished attaching the Ferreros. And now we're going to... I don't know what's the next step.
What's wrong with you?
So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our chocolates on a stick and we're gonna wrap it with some paper. Wrap it around the chocolate and it will look like a petal like this, and we just secure it with some tape. Get our money and then wrap it around too. I'm just adding a bit of tape at the bottom, just a little bit, so that it doesn't fall down. So it looks like this. Here's the Ferrero in the middle, and then we've got the craft paper, the money. It's secured at the bottom with some tape so that it stays in place. And we'll just do this for the rest of the Ferrero, so 30 more to go. I finished wrapping up everything, so now we're going to arrange the flowers. To arrange our bouquet, we need a cardboard box. So this one is from a toothbrush, so you can just use anything that you can find that is shaped like this. So this will just hold the stems together. So we'll wrap everything together and then we'll put some tape around. We're going to attach the leftover flowers to the base flower that we did together earlier. I'm just arranging it so that the flowers are outside and then the Ferrero Rocher are in the middle. Oh, it looks so pretty. You can add more flowers if you have more, but I don't have any more, so there's only 6 around it. Okay, we'll wrap this now. So this is the bouquet. I hope my mom likes it. It turned out really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Lilac Diaries. See you in the next video.